Yo, hello guys, it's me. I'm back. So today I'm gonna to playing with some Roblox games, but I need to invite them. He's still online, so I invited. Everyone can be joined. I hope he's joined. Is I think lagging. Oh my phone. Oh no, I need to run. I think my phone is lagging. So what do I need spam? I think I need spam automated one. That's my favorite. Then I need to then I need to add friends. So yeah, I think I need to found friends with here. This is a beautiful days. Days one. And there's too many with forest. That means it's impossible. Why 4Meka still nothing? I hope he's joined. Well, it's a tornado. Oh, that thing's still a tornado mon. Why did he going there? Oh, that means there's a human. I hope he's okay. Wait, what? Wait. Did I seems my phone is broken? Bro, I think I could, bro. Wait, what is he doing? Bro, wait for me. I'm going to you up. Oh, he's really still friends. By the way, where did he go? Is he gone? I hope he's here. This is on a road. I think he tried to going there. That means he want to hit with tornado F5. That's why. I think he's over here. Okay. I hope it works this road. Whoa, ouch, it hurts. Bro, it's hurting us. That's harder with this farm so many. Where did he go? Bro, I'm trying to following with there. I think I feel nothing from you. Welcome to Pator. Welcome to Pator. I think try to parking from me. And here we go. Wait. Is this a fake garage? Bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Okay, I'm trying to park. I'm trying to park in here. This will be works. Okay, now I'm trying to sleep from this house. Wait, did I seems like? Wait, did I look this like a boilet one? Oh god, bro. This game is good. Did I looks like a game boilet one? Oh my god. And this door, this looks like nothing. What change? How about we switch size like this? No. But there looks like a granny games. This room? No. Wait. Is that? Oh, nothing. It's trees. Yeah. It's a tree. And this door, what is it? Oh, nothing. Oh, there's a shop. I think. Wait. Is that a garage? Oh, nothing. I can't go there. What is that sound? What does that mean? I think it's a French. Oh, this road. Oh, finally a tornado. What is it? What is it? Please tell me. What is it? What is it? What is it? Come on, come on. I think it's tornado. If not, dude, this crazy. South. What's that? Dude, this making me try to scare me. This tornado one make me scared, dude. I feel nothing happened that. So let's try to another fight a tornado. Bean burrito, bean burrito, bean burrito, bean burrito, bean burrito. I like to say bean burrito. Oh, what the fuck? What does that mean? So scary. Make me scary. Wait. Is it? This one on the road? Oh yeah, this is. It's gonna be so fun time. Hey, come on, deploy. I hope this works. This tornado is so crazy. Okay, he's coming. He's trying to coming. Hey, yo, what? This Wi-Fi so low. Ah, I saw it. That means too crazy. What I think need to run. Okay, I try to run. Run! And I'm going to a tornado. Wait. I think I pulled up. Bro, that's not me. That's jokes. Oh, I feel he coming. Okay, he's coming now. If McDonald's on the light, never gonna die. Big the little house. Oh, I say, what's a little miss song? So I heal right up. If McDonald's on the light, never gonna die. Funk. Let's go going there again. Whoa, it might be pulled up. Oh shit. Oh, now he's pulled me. Why? Why trying to pull at me back here? Bro, I just wanna go there. You can't stop me. Oh shit. Bro, not again. Tornado pull me up. Please, I wanna go there. Let me in. Oh shit. This tornado is fucking me. This. I can do this. Okay, now I finally can go here. Oh, tornado coming deploy. That seems awesome. He pull up. Oh shit, oh no, he keep me pulled up. Oh shit. Is she going here? Oh yeah, she going from there. Where is she going from? Okay, here we go. Tornado coming the floor, tornado coming the floor. Ding 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 ding. Whoa, this tornado is so trash. Okay guys, thanks for watching guys. Bye.